Your smartphone is what makes you, you. And now we're really putting emphasis on the smart part of your smartphone with the power of generative models right at your fingertips. Neon intelligence is truly personal and useful intelligence that's deeply integrated into the Neon Dream 7 lineup. And it's designed for privacy and safety. At the core of this privacy is on-device processing. We've integrated deep into the system. And thanks to P3 Athena's super powerful NPU, every on-device operation is faster than ever. Neon Intelligence uses the NPU in tandem with the system memory. On-device processing is prioritized because it's faster and more secure because it never leaves your device. And thanks to on-device processing, it creates a personal semantic index of you, where it's aware of your personal data without collecting your personal data. While on-device processing is the most ideal, there are times where you need models that are larger than what fits in your pocket today, and that's where servers can help. But traditional servers misuse and store your data, so we've created the Secure Cloud Server, which is in the body of a Neon Compute Pro rack system that's been unlocked to process 864 trillion operations a second per server, with 8 terabytes of memory. And the OS on these servers don't have a GUI, and their SSD is only used for the AI models. And since these servers use Neon Silicon, the P3 Athena chip in Neon Dream 7 communicates securely with the server, and everything is end-to-end encrypted. This is a big step forward for privacy in AI. This level of privacy also plays into our incredible architecture. Neon Intelligence integrates LLMs from 6 different companies, including our own Axiom model, which is the one that's used the most. But many times you'll need an LLM with world knowledge, and that's why we've integrated 17 different third-party LLMs into Neon Intelligence, including the most powerful off-device models from OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, plus some powerful on-device models from Meta and DeepSeek. But how on earth can you pick between all of these different models? Well, you don't have to. We've created Smart Analysis, which analyzes which LLM works the best for the current scenario or prompt. It bases it off the model's capabilities, speed, and whether it's on or off device. And it even bases it off some personal preference on which model has offered the most success for you. And thanks to the super powerful NPU on Neon Dream 7, it can perform these intense operations up to 3 times faster than Neon Dream 5. Smart Analysis is truly what makes Neon Intelligence unique and incredibly innovative. Now let's talk about the capabilities enabled by Neon Intelligence on Neon Dream 7, starting with our new personal assistant called Maven. Maven is integrated deep into the system with its elegant glowing light around your screen. And when you don't want to talk to Maven, you can just double tap the bottom of your screen to type to Maven. Maven has many advanced capabilities, such as personal context understanding, on-screen awareness, and multi-app actions. For example, when you need to find that one photo you took years ago in Yosemite, Maven can find it in seconds. Or when you need to be reminded about when your flight leaves, Maven can find your flight details and set a reminder. And when a friend sends you a song to listen to, you can just ask Maven to play that, to start playing it immediately. In addition to personal knowledge, Maven understands world knowledge thanks to third-party models we've implemented. For example, when you need a website summarized, Maven can summarize it using the new Claude 4 models. And for on-device world knowledge, Maven can tap into Meta's Llama to find some good pasta recipes even when you're offline. We've integrated the most powerful models like GPT 4.1, Gemini 2.5 Pro, and the newest Claude 4 models. Maven is truly the ultimate personal assistant. In addition, Neon Intelligence allows you to generate images with Image Studio. You can generate images of your liking using models from OpenAI, Google, or even Neon. It's integrated system-wide and can be used with any app. Alongside Image Studio is Wallpaper Studio. It allows you to generate a new wallpaper to apply to your device at any time, and it can even be updated regularly. And before you apply it, you'll get a good preview of your lock screen with the new wallpaper. And Neon Intelligence also features Emoji Studio, which allows you to create any emoji you want to have some fun in your conversations. And these emoji will even appear as real emoji to RCS users on Android and even iOS 26. These image generation features allow you to express yourself in new ways on Neon Dream 7. And Neon Intelligence also features a great new feature for games called Hyperframe. Hyperframe allows you to generate high quality frames in real time for your game, effectively improving your FPS. When playing Cyberpunk 2077, a notoriously demanding title, Neon Dream 7 already gets an impressive 60 FPS at 1080p, but thanks to Hyperframe, it can get a staggering 90 FPS at the same resolution, even outclassing some high-end desktop PCs. And Hyperframe even works without developer modification, truly making it a quite literal game changer. Neon Intelligence offers even more great features like system-wide summaries, writing toolkit to enhance your writing, and phone call audio transcriptions. Neon Intelligence will be available to everyone as a beta on August 11th in US English. We'll add localized English in October in Australia, Canada, New Zealand, South Africa, and the United Kingdom. And we'll add Chinese, French, Japanese, and Spanish in December. And Neon Intelligence will be available on not just the Neon Dream 7 lineup, but even the Neon Dream 6 lineup, Neon Dream 5 lineup, and the second gen Neon Dream SE. So that's Neon Intelligence on Neon Dream 7.